Namaskar, my name is Gaurish Borkar, and like you all know, we are studying the first chapter of Varamihira's Bruhat Jatak. So today we are studying the next stanza, that is the 15th stanza of this particular chapter. Let's start. Yes. So the stanza is like this. होरादयस्तनुकुटुम्बसहोत्थबन्धु पुत्रारिपत्नीमरणानि शुभास्पदायाः रेःफाख्यमित्युपचयान्यरिकर्मलाभ दुश्चिक्यसंज्ञित्यग्रहाणनि nityameke. What does that mean? It means the nature of the 12 houses from Lagna are as follows: 1 body, 2 family, 3 siblings, 4 friends, 5 son, 6 enemies, 7 wife, 8 death, 9 good qualities, 10 power, 11 income, and 12 expenditure. The 6th, 10th, 11th, and 3rd houses are called Upachaya. Some consider that these are not always Upachaya houses. Very simple stanza. Let's look at the padas and what the commentators say about this particular stanza. So let's start with padas. Horadayaha means ascendant and others. Tanu means physique. Kutumba, family. Sahotta, innate. Bandhu, relatives. Putra, son. Ari, enemy. Patni, wife. Marana, death or diseases. Shubha is auspicious. Aspada means par. Aya means income. Rifakhyam means expense. Iti is end. Then the next part, it talks about Upachaya means increment. Anya means others. Ari is 6th. Karma 10th. Labha 11th. Dushchikya 3rd house. Saudnita means termed. Na gruhani means they don't consider. Na nityam means not always. Ek means someone. So someone don't consider. That's exactly the padas are all about. Now let's see what the commentators talk about the meaning of or the indications of the 12 houses. So they say first naturally is physique, second is dependent members of the family, third is brother, fourth is relatives like maternal uncle, nephews, etc. Fifth is son, sixth is enemies, diseases, seventh is wife, eighth is loss of wealth, dangers, diseases, insults, and defeats. Ninth is fortunes, religious merit. 10th is livelihood support. 11th is fulfillment of all kinds of desires. And 12th is sins and diseases. So, this is about the meaning of 12 different houses as per the commentators. Now, let's look at the commentary about Upachayas and the other things that are mentioned in this particular stanza. So the commentators say that the results of the bhava depends on the position of planets with reference to the bhava madhya. What that means is if the planet is at bhava madhya, then it would give 100% result. If the planet is at bhava sandhi, then it would give 0% result. And when the planet is in between the bhava madhya and the bhava sandhi, the results are proportional to the position. And that is exactly why in this particular stanza in the commentary, actually we haven't covered that, but the Dashadhyayi speaks about how to calculate the bhava madhya, how to calculate the bhava sandhi, and all of those things. I'll make a separate video on the bhava chalit kundali to explain what exactly it means. However, Here I haven't covered that because we are looking at the Falaj Jyotish or the uh, Jyotish part, not the astronomy part, but the astrology part of the Jyotish, and that's why I'm actually covering the results rather than the astronomical part. That's why I haven't taken that part of the commentary in this particular video. But this part is very important for us, that the planet which is very close to the Bhava Madhya gives that particular Bhava gives 100% results, and when the planet is very close to the Bhava Sandhi, the Bhava gives very less results. That's exactly what the commentators have mentioned. That is in the Dashadhyayi, this part is mentioned. Naturally, the second part is the Upachaya. So 3, 6, 10 and 11 are the Upachaya houses. The way they are mentioned in the commentary is 6, 10, 11 and 3. So 3 has the least importance, 6, 10 and 11 has the highest importance. Third has the least important in the Upachaya houses. Upachaya houses are the houses of growth, increment. So basically planets in the Upachaya houses cause growth, promotion and development. That is what the commentators have explained. Now the next part which is important, which is mentioned in this particular stanza, that some acharyas don't believe that these houses cause growth all the time, or always these houses don't cause growth. So what do they say? They say that when they are not aspected by malefic planets or planets inimical to the signs or the Rashi placed in that particular bhava, if that particular bhava is not influenced by these two, then and then only these houses cause growth. That is what some of the acharyas say. However, Varamera does not agree with their opinion. However, he has documented, he has mentioned that opinion, that some acharyas don't consider upachayas as the houses of growth all the time. If they are aspected by malefic planets, or they are aspected by planets which are inimical to the owner of this particular bhava, then they don't cause growth. Otherwise, only otherwise they cause growth. That's exactly what some of the acharyas say. Varamihira doesn't seem to be of that opinion. So this is very simple stanza. This is all about it. In the next stanza, we will naturally learn more about bhavas. If you consider now that we are moving from Rashi to Bhava. So this is the first stanza where we refer to the Bhava. First 13, 14 stanzas were all about Rashis. Now the Bhavas have started, and from here we will learn more about Bhava in coming stanzas and coming videos. So for today, Namaskar. See you next time.